Well guys, I promised you we're gonna be posting the next video of test driving the boat. So we're at the boat dock waiting in line. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous because I like things to work well and I don't know how this is gonna go, but come along with me. Here we go. Okay, so we got the boat out. It's running really good, so I'm happy. jet ski broke down, so he's getting towed by my jet ski right now back. So I've just been kind of cruising around in circles and cruising slow, just waiting on him. It's the boat being reliable today, not so on his jet ski. So yeah, we're gonna loop back around. They stopped moving, but it runs really good. been a very successful day out here on the lake. I'm getting ready to pull it back onto my truck right over there. So let's see how I do. I probably shouldn't be filming this, but sorry for the crappy quality. This is all I'm gonna be able to provide. That's all you're gonna be able to see because of my crappy decision of not putting up GoPro mounts. Yeah. So now back in the water a little bit, Dad.
What?
Back up.
Back up?
Yes.
You sure?
Or if you, unless you can crank it up on top of it.
Hold on. Back up a little bit. Back up? Yeah, just a little bit. Keep going.
You're gonna go more, Dad.
Huh?
We're talking back up. I'll tell you when. That's good.
You think?
Try reeling it in a little. Back up more. It should be in it. Okay. Back it up.
Keep going. More. A little bit more. Good.
There you go.
How far do you want?
That's probably good. Go forward. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow.
Yep. You can tell if we're on the freaking wheel or not.
Here, I'll stand in the middle to help balance it. Slow. Hold up. Push me back the other way.
Which way?
Okay. Now pull out a little bit, Dad.
Out?
Yes. Oh, hold up. Stop. Back up.
It's too far. It's too far.
There we go. No, we're good now. It just fell into place.
Yeah, we're good.
Slowly. Is it straight? If not, we can back it up and reset it. Oh, I can't wait till I'm good at docking. Look at that pretty thing. Got the Morimoto headlights, nice taillights, and then we got a pretty boat behind us. I gotta work on the trailer lights on the boat. This one and that one don't work. The taillights work. It's basically all the side markers on this side of the trailer don't work because the center light right there, see how the left one works but the center one and the right one don't work? The center one's damaged and they're all in like a series. So since the center one got damaged, all the ones left in the series don't work. But yeah. That ran really good.
Yeah.
Sweet. So that is what I would call an insanely successful lake day. It's crazy to think that I've had this thing for 3 years and now this is just my second time bringing it out. Like for 3 years of working on it, I didn't even know if the thing float until like a week ago. So at least it floats, right? And now it runs great. It's awesome. But one thing I have ordered is a gimbal bearing. I'm gonna be throwing a new one in because that roaring sound I was hearing, I'm pretty sure that is the gimbal bearing. I watched a few other YouTube videos on it and yep, it seems the exact same. So who knows what the condition of this one is. And so I'm getting new bellows and Alpha 1 seal and all that with it too. So it should be all nice and tuned up after that. And right here behind me, I got this wonderful sewing machine that I'm getting all tuned up and ready to go because we have a huge upholstery project going on. I already got all the vinyl and foam and everything. It's in the living room, but my family's watching a movie right now, so I'm not gonna show you that. But the only thing I'm waiting on is on Saturday, the thread for this machine comes in, and then, like, I already got some of the vinyl I cut off of the, some of the vinyl I cut out of my big sheet I got, so I could test, but I was having problems with the stitch not stitching, so I was just punching holes through it, because this thread is so tiny, and the needle's really big, and it's not really designed for it, so, and my bobbin was not hooking right, so I'm gonna time the sewing machine. It's what it's called, retiming. So retime my bobbin with the needle. So that's what I've been working on, but I'm waiting for the new thread to come in now so I can swap out the threads and give her a test run. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm absolutely loving this series. This boat has been so fun to work on, and I'm so sad that it's almost August. Like, we only got a month and a half left with this thing before it has to sit for another 9 months in the cold. So yeah, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on this series. Come on now. We're growing there in subscribers, so I appreciate all the new ones that have been subscribing. It's honestly amazing, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, comment any suggestions you have with the boat or anything you've noticed that I should probably tune up or do to it as we fix it up. Catch you later. Bye.